Hi guys, I hope you all well. In this video I will teach you how to do a eyelash perm. Very popular treatment. Remove makeup, cleanse eye area, use under eye treatment pad. Make sure client comfortable. Place the sheet along the upper lashes line. Hold for 10 to 20 seconds. Now the shield place on the upper lashes line. Apply a thin layer of bonding gel. Use a metal hook end of the pro lash. Repeat the lash tool step until all upper lashes are bound to the shield. Now use a lifting balm. Make sure the root to half up to the lashes. Dry 10 minutes. Average healthy 12 and 14 for coarse hair. Remove gently. Lifting balm. Now apply a volumized fixer. Every client, doesn't matter they got healthy lashes or they got dry lashes or thick, 7 minutes. Remember, from the root to halfway up the lashes. Now remove the volume fixer and use eyebrow tint. I use a blue and black. Now I'm going to use a final step is moisturizing serum. Is applied to the nourish lashes, help lock in tint, color ease them off the shield. You guys can see the shield easily removed. So guys, gently I remove all the tint. You can look the final result. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching me.